Hi friends, my name is Rohan Barachandra. Today's video very interesting. Watch it till the end. As you may know, Tata Group is one of the oldest business groups in India and the most valuable business group right now. Its market cap is currently around 30.76 lakh crores. There are around 29 listed companies of the Tata Group with the above total market cap. There are many unlisted companies in the Tata Group which are planning IPOs in the next few years. There are 6 companies of the Tata Group which are planning IPOs in the near future. Company A, Tata Autocom Systems. B, Big Basket. C, Tata Advanced Systems. D, Tata Play or Tata Sky. E, Tata Suns. And F, Tata Passenger Electric Mobility. In this, one of the companies, that is Tata Suns, is planning to launch India's largest IPO. As per a report from Kotak Securities, the Tata Group is considering to sell a 5% stake in Tata Suns through an IPO to raise about 55,000 crores at an estimated valuation of rupees 11 lakh crores. So this could be one of India's largest IPO if it goes through. Tata Sons is a holding company of the Tata Group. It is a promoter of most Tata Group companies and holds stake in most of the Tata Group companies. It is currently privately owned and holds stake in around 100 Tata Group companies. About 66% of the equity capital of Tata Sons is held by philanthropic trusts endowed by members of the Tata family. Tata Sons is classified as an upper layer non-banking financial company by the RBI. This means that it is actually not a non-banking financial corporation, it's a holding company which invests in other companies or which has stake in other companies. It has to be listed on the stock exchanges by September 2025 to meet the SEBI norms. The last big IPO was of LIC worth around 21,000 crores in May 2022. In fact, whenever the IPO of Tata Sons is launched, it will give investors an opportunity to indirectly have a stake in almost all the Tata Group companies. So, even if we don't have stake in all the companies, by buying Tata Sons, we are indirectly holding stake and indirectly benefiting from the growth of Tata Group companies. The following is the details of the holdings of Tata Sons in various Tata Group companies. In TCS, Tata Sons stake is 72.38%. Tata Motors, they have a stake of 43.71%. In Titan Company, Tata Sons holds 20.84%. Tata Steel, 31.76%. Trent, 32.45%. Tata Power, 45.21%. Tata Consumer, 28.4%. Indian Hotels, 35.66%. Tata Communications 14.07%, Tata Elxsi 42.22%, Tata Investment Corporation 68.51%, Voltas 26.64%, Tata Chemicals 31.9%, and in Tata Teleservices, Tata Sons holds a stake of 19.58%. As you can see, Tata Sons has significant stake in large Tata Group companies. When Tata Sons shares are listed, it will be a good opportunity for investors. However, some people are of the opinion that Tata Group may request for exemption from SEBI to list in the stock markets. We need to see what happens. Because Tata Group may or may not be interested in the listing, we need to see whether they can get some exemption and whether Tata Group decides to apply for the exemption. There is also another investment company in the Tata Group called Tata Investment Corporation. It invests in Tata and non-Tata companies and its main income is from dividends, capital gains and interest earned from its investment. So once again, this does not have a direct business, it is only investing in different businesses, and as the different businesses do well, they receive dividend, they may get capital gains for the shares they have sold, and also any excess money which they have invested in other places, they may be getting interest, and that is the income of this particular company. So it is similar to how an individual investor would do. They are investing in different companies and they get the benefit accordingly. It's a very interesting company to research further. So if you are not aware of this, please do your research online so that you get an idea how this company operates. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, will you be interested in Tata Sons IPO if and when it is listed? If it's yes, type yes in the comment section, otherwise type no in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel if not yet done so. Thank you and bye bye.